Hi, I'm Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert. You know, painting outdoor railings is an easy and affordable way to add curb appeal. Let me show you how it's done. Start by cleaning the railing with a degreaser to remove dirt and grime from the metal. Let it dry for about 15 minutes before moving on. Next, with gloves on, use a wire brush to remove chipped or loose paint. This will help the new paint to coat on evenly and correctly. Place a drop cloth or tarp to protect your entrance, plants, and anywhere you don't want to get debris or paint on. If your outdoor railings have rust, treat those spots with a rust stop spray. This will help prevent rust and corrosion from further deteriorating the metal. Let it dry 30 minutes before painting. It's time to get painting. Make sure you're using a paint made for exterior surfaces. This paint is called Stormy Night and will give it a good stir for about a minute before painting. Start at the bottom of the railing and work your way up, putting on enough paint to cover the spindle. Complete all sides of the railing before moving on to the next. This way you avoid drops from sitting for too long and the entire railing gets an even application. Now we'll move to the top of the railing. This railing has a nice straight line, so the application to the top is easy. Let the paint dry for about 2 hours, maybe more if it's humid out, before adding a second coat. Follow the same painting steps for the second coat. And that's it. You can see how a new coat of paint can really enhance the look of this entrance. Now check out our next video on painting wood railings and porch ceilings, another way to improve your home. And if you need more advice, just stop by your local Ace Hardware store. You can always visit us at acehardware.com because Ace is the helpful place.